close, guys. We are headed to a Superbike shop. It has a dyno tuner, and what's cool about them is they also have another shop in Irvine, California, which is obviously a little closer to me than good old Texas. So if you guys don't know, we have the FT-ECU installed in this bike. We have the Yoshimura full exhaust, the DNA filter, and the stage 2 upgrade for the intake. And then with the FT-ECU, we did the unrestricted tune, which basically removes a bunch of restrictions on the motorcycle. So it makes it feel like it runs a little bit better. It takes away some engine braking, and I've been very happy with it, to be honest with you, so far. But I want to see where we're actually at. What did we gain out of what we've done? And then at that point, we can start moving forward with actually doing some kind of tune of some sort. It makes you wonder, is this a toll road? I'm pretty sure they won't be able to see the license plate on my R7, so I have no idea. Damn, another freaking massive Harley dealer. There are tons of them. Harleys are definitely very big here in Old Texas. I take it we are in Dallas. So much construction. Poor old freaking Dallas, Texas is getting annihilated by all the freaking Californians running to this place. Who needs an auto blipper? Damn, if you guys don't know, my buddy Bombgardener crashed again. Totally annihilated his R7, which I'm totally feeling bad for him right now. I got to bullshit with him a little bit last night. He's such a good dude. It totally sucks, man. His bad luck is insane. Go check out his channel. Give him a get well soon. Well, we're getting close. Shady trail. Uh-oh. Found the shady spot of Texas. Yep.
If you're new to the channel, sadly I did not get this thing dyno tuned before I did all these mods. I was more interested in getting some fantastic sound and getting the bike to run properly. Now of course I wouldn't complain about getting more power, but in reality that was just not the point of what I was doing. And if you don't know, a dyno test is not a perfect assessment of a bike's power, but I still think it's a great way to get pretty dang close to what the bike is making, and of course if the bike is running rich or lean. Scouring the internet for every dyno test I could possibly find on a stock Yamaha R7. So far I've seen 62 horsepower, 66 horsepower, and one was even at 68 horsepower, so it's really hard to say, as every single dyno and every single motorcycle is going to give you a slightly different rating. Yamaha doesn't claim a stock number. Everything I keep seeing is roughly 70. A bike that's claiming X horsepower does not have that at the actual wheel, so a dyno test helps us get what we're really getting out of the wheel of the motorcycle, potentially. With this bike, the max I've seen, with the runs that we did today, the highest I seen was 69 and some change. And here's the last results that we got, which is showing a max of 68 and some change. In my opinion, with the mods that we've done to this bike, we've gained anywhere from 4 to 6 horsepower, and those gains definitely did not come from the FT-ECU's unrestricted tune. After going page by page with the stock tune and the unrestricted tune, the only things that I actually did to the ECU was reduce engine braking, which is exactly what I wanted to do, and it reduced the fan temps, pushing the fan on sooner. But what I really think is key to take away from this dyno test is a simple fact that a bike's top end range for the air fuel mixture should be like 13.5, and my bike was at 14 most of the range and 15 at the bottom of the RPM range. So we have a little bit of tuning to do.
Man, that was a ton of fun. It was awesome finally getting this freaking dyno tested. I had a little bit higher expectations than what I got. Honestly, I thought that the FT-ECU unrestricted tune was going to give me more than just a decrease in engine braking. That's pretty much all that I got. I know there's a few other things in there. Needless to say, I was hoping to get a little bit more than that. Obviously that's not the case. Now it is time to finally dig into tuning it myself with this FT-ECU to get it running a little bit better. Like if I'm pushing that whole freaking 14 plus, that needs to be brought down. So I think it's going to be really interesting to get into the software when we get home and try and figure out how to bump some fuel ratios. And then we're going to have to start doing some polls and seeing where it's actually go running rich or lean and actually freaking manipulate. So I think that part's going to be kind of fun. In addition, I think it would be cool to get my scan tool plugged into this thing and go for a ride and see if the adjustments I do will actually change whether or not the bike is lean or not. I need to freaking richen her up a little bit for sure. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.